Hello guys, welcome to Wide Up Academy. This is Anupam Parasar, and in this video let's look at what is web development. So before you get to know about web development, you must know what is a website. So you must be using any social media site like Facebook or Twitter or any e-commerce site like Amazon or Flipkart to order your favorite goods. Ultimately, these platforms are websites. Now if we define a website, then we can say that a website is a collection of publicly accessible, interlinked web pages that shares a single domain name. Now even if you search anything on the internet, in the result it will show you many links to web pages, which on click will land you up on a website. And there are over 1.5 billion websites on the internet. Of these, more than 200 million websites are active. These websites must have been developed by someone and needs timely and proper maintenance. And performing these tasks is called as web development, also known as website development. In simple words, it is the work that happens behind the scene to make a website look great, work fast, and perform well with a seamless user experience. And the one who performs these tasks is known as a web developer, which is a highly demanding and well-paid job worldwide, making web development a great career option. A web developer performs these tasks using a variety of tools, coding languages which depend on the task they are performing and the platform on which they are working. Now a full-fledged website can have many components. But basically, a website is generally broken down into front-end, back-end and database. So as the web development is broken down into front-end development, back-end development and database management. And when all the work is done together, it is known as full stack development, which we are going to deal with in details in upcoming videos. And for that, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and lastly, don't forget to press the like button if you enjoy the video to motivate us. Thank you so much. Keep learning.